Hey folks, welcome to Sawnee Mountain Motors Online. Got a really awesome truck for you today, right off the front line of Akins Ford. The guys at Akins allowed me to buy this thing from them. A 22 really nicely equipped XLT with only 24,000 miles on it. If you have been wanting a new truck but you just can't bring yourself to pay a new price, then you have just found your truck. Supercrew 4-wheel drive is an XLT, so it has cloth, but has the new modern looking updated cloth interior with the 40 console 40 seating package. I really like the cloth in this truck, but it has a lot of other updated features. As you can see, if you go to the bottom of our website, it gives you all the optional features that this truck was built with and what the cost of those features were. So this truck is an exceptional price when you factor in the optional equipment that it has. You can see it's got the vinyl bed cover on it. It has a drop-in liner. It's never been used for work. This thing has the chrome wheel package from Ford. Got the chrome bumpers, chrome grille, all that stuff. Truck is just absolutely like new. Like I say, right out of Ford service department and right off Akins Ford's front line. My favorite car is Akins Ford. Great dealership, by the way. I love the cloth in this thing. And like I say, the 40 console, 40 seating package, dual power seats, no sunroof, leather wrap wheel, 24,000 miles, trailer technology package. It has the big screen, and it has the 360-degree camera package, which is super nice. 24,872 miles. Has the power sliding rear window, 3 sets of keys, 3 remotes, and the valet key. And this truck shows zero wear, just absolutely no wear anywhere at all that I can find. Got the side step on it. It's the 2.7 EcoBoost. We've had great luck with these engines. You just have to make sure you change your oil every 5,000 miles. I think Ford recommends 7,500. I certainly do not. You have some cam phaser issues if you run it a long time between oil changes, so don't do that. 5,000 miles synthetic oil, shouldn't have any issues. We sell extended warranties at our cost. It'll be super low cost on this truck to have a platinum bumper to bumper warranty that covers anything that might ever happen to it. You'll be amazed when you find out what real cost on a warranty is versus what dealerships sell them for. I ran new car stores. I know what they do, and they double the cost of the warranty, which they have to make a lot more money than I do. They have many more expenses. You can see the Carfax on my website. We will put this truck through the shop anyway, although I know that it just came out of Ford, and we'll clean it and detail it, which we haven't done. We'll apply a paint protection coating on the whole truck, as we do with all our vehicles. Give me a call anytime. Mike Stout, 404-867-5028. Thanks so much, and have a great day.